Good morning, students. Aji I am class 3 poem I am a mobile phone. Kavita to Sam. I am a mobile phone. Chapter number 6. Yat ami ebilak saisu ki ase mobile, radio, newspaper. Yat poem to ami etia porhim. Recite the poem I am a mobile phone. I am a mobile phone, cute and small. Don't you like me when I call? Call your friends, play new games, wish your dear ones, store their names. তাৰ পিছত কিছুমান কোৱেশ্চন আছে choose words from the poem that rhymes with small কি হ'ব names কি হ'ব here কি হ'ব এখিনি আমি চাম পয়েমটো মুখস্থ কৰিবা কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 2 দুটা বাক্য বনাব দিছে আমি মোবাইলেৰে কি কৰিব পাৰো Question number 2. Work with your friend and add 2 more sentences to say what you can do with a mobile phone. Here dia ase I call my friends, I store names, I play games, I write with it, I take photos. Tar bahireo ami kisuman nije sentence banabo paru. Question 1 or answer kin di disu small call names games here dear. Tar pasat ase amar jikini 6 or 7 number sentence banabo disil 6th jenuka I make videos I watch movies Question 3 arrange the letters and find out what they are yat kisuman jumble letters dia ase ami meaningful word banabo lage jenuka computer aru bahut khini ase moi gote khini disu ekhini sai pelai likhi loba